have a few sets of 1-inch cordless mini blinds. They all have an excessive amount of slats that bunch up at the bottom like this. While it's okay to leave it like this, there are steps you can take to remove them for an overall better look. For practice, I'll start on this set of older corded blinds. This video will show you step by step how to easily remove the excess slats. Step 1. Lower the blinds fully so you have access to all the slats. Step 2. Identify the first slat you want to remove. Step 3. Remove the end of the slat by cutting into the lift cord hole from the front side. With just the front side cut, you can easily twist the slat and break it off. Be extra careful not to cut the lift cord or the string ladder. Repeat this step on all the excess slats you want to remove. Then move over to the other side. For step 4, there is no middle lift cord holding them in place, just the string ladder. So now we can easily pull all the slats out. Step 5. Find the last remaining slat, then come down 3 or 4 rungs, then start cutting away the rungs. Once that's done, cut away the verticals. Do that for both sides, and on the middle string ladder you don't have to cut away the rungs. Cutting the rungs makes it easier not to get tangled up in the lift cord and when you remove them in the final step. But after watching the video, you may be able to leave the rungs as is. Let me know in the comments if that is the case. Now with the ladder strings cut, we can pop out the bottom rail buttons, which are sometimes referred to as the plugs. I found a flathead screwdriver with a thin blade is best for this task. And with the plugs out, we can finish cutting away the ladder strings. After getting this far and with some consideration, I decided to remove a few more slats. Step 7 is to remove the slack out of the lift cords. Pull the cord from the bottom until it sits just below the bottom slat, then tie a knot. The knot will keep the bottom rail in place. It's important here to leave enough length on the lift cord to be able to tie a knot, and I know it'd likely be helpful to tell you the most efficient knot to use, but I only know one kind of knot, and I got it to work. Step 8 is to wrap the string ladder around the bottom rail, twist it together, cut off the excess, tuck it into the hole, then insert the plug back in the hole, which will hold everything in place. After you do steps 7 and 8 on one side, repeat them on the other side as well. And then the only thing left is the middle string ladder, which is the same process, but you don't have to worry about tying off a lift cord.